Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Mohit Jangra. In this video I'll show you how to stain your canvas using cheap acrylic colors. The colors I'm using, I bought them from local art store. Colors I'm using here are orange and olive green. I mix them and dilute them with water to get this nice orangey brown color. And spread it all over the canvas. That's it. I use as thin coat as possible because staining is just to kill the white of the canvas. Because on the white surface, even your mid-tones appears to be darker than dark. It's not easy to judge colors on white surface. So it's quite important to stain your canvas. As you can see, I'm just applying a thin coat of paint. Even my drawing is visible through it so that I can trace it down. And it works as good as oils. And if you feel excess paint anywhere, just wipe it off with the help of cloth or paper towel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy painting.